Hello, hello. Baliktad.
Good evening, teacher.
Good evening, sir.
Hello, Phương.
Yes, I can hear you.
Hello, Nam Phương.
Dạ, em chào anh ạ.
Chào em. Em bật mà cam lên cho cô nhé.
À vâng,
Ok em rồi. Ok, chúc cô với em học tốt nhé.
vâng ạ.
Ok, bye bye. Bye
Thank you,
bye, teacher.
sir. Goodbye, goodbye. Hello.
Hello, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. What's your name?
My name is Nam.
Nam. Ah, okay. My name is Jam. Nam, Jam.
Me, yes, yes. Nice to
Uh-huh.
meet you.
Nice to meet you. Okay. Before we start, uh, let's get to know each other. Okay?
Yes,
Okay. So, how old are you?
28 years old.
Oh, okay, 28. And you live in Vietnam?
No,
Uh-huh.
I I was born in Hanoi, in Vietnam, but now I'm living in studying in Korea.
Oh, you're in Korea now. That's
Yes,
nice. Wait a moment. Let's check our book. Is this the book that you want to use? Is this the one? Is this okay for you? This one? That's
yes,
fine. That's fine.
yes,
Don't be scared. Don't be scared, okay? That's
yes,
okay. We will use this. Yes?
yes.
Ah, okay. So, my name is Shalise. No, no, no. That's my first name. Mm-hmm.
Yes.
I have two names. It's Shalise, Jamel. Do you want me to write? Let's write. Okay? Mm-hmm.
Yes.
My name is Shalise Jamel.
Your
There,
name, Charlie. Huh?
Shalise. Uh-huh. Shalise and Jamel.
Ah,
Yeah.
Shandy, yes, Mel.
Yes, two names.
Mm,
Yeah. But I use jam here.
ah,
Uh-huh.
yes, I know, I understood.
Yes, because it's easy. Jam is easy. Mm-hmm. I am 22 years old. Yes, I live in Philippines.
Yes,
Mm-hmm. Do you know Philippines?
yes, I know.
Ah, okay. Did you
Uh,
go here?
where do you live in Philippines?
Mindanao. Wait, let's write Mindanao. There you go.
Mindanao.
Yes, I live in Mindanao. Not very common.
Mm.
Not common. I think you know Manila.
Manila, Cebu, or
Yes.
Pa, oh,
Palawan? No, not Palawan.
I don't know many things about her Philippines.
That's okay. I also don't know many things about Vietnam, but I am slowly learning. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. So now let's try to start our lesson. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm
Okay.
ready.
Uh-huh. If you don't understand, you can just say, I don't understand. Okay?
Yes,
Or you can say, can you say it again? Like that.
yes, and
Okay. So let's see. We have, I have the dog. Do you like dogs? Do you like dogs?
no, I'm scared of animals.
Really? I have two dogs.
Oh.
Yes. A big and small dog. Yes. Um, do you want to see? I have my small dog. No, you don't want. Do you want to see the
Yes,
small?
I want to see my pet.
I'm okay. Oh, he's here. He's sleeping. This one. This is my
Oh.
small. Yes. Say hi, Jax. He is a boy.
Mm.
Mm-hmm.
He's sleeping?
Yes,
He's sleeping?
with his toy.
Mm. It's so
Yeah.
cute.
Thank you. And he's sleepy. Drax, say hi. He d- he wants to sleep. Uh, I'll put him down there. This is his toy. Okay. So, yes. Um, let's see. In the book, we have Timmy. This is Timmy. Um, we usually say, I have a dog. My dog is big. My dog is gray. Do you know gray?
Yes,
Color.
color.
Uh-huh. I have a big gray dog and it's a girl. Mm-hmm.
Mm.
Yes. Do you like big dogs?
No, I don't like big dog. I'm scared.
Okay. But why are you scared? Uh-huh. Why are you scared?
Um,
Did
I,
it
I,
hurt
I don't
you?
know what to say.
Okay. That's okay. Did it hurt you before? Did a dog hurt you before? No. Bite. How about biting? That's okay. That's okay. That's okay. That's okay. Uh-huh. Let's see. We also have cats. Mm-hmm.
Cat.
Yes, I have a cat. My cat is brown. Uh-huh. Do you like cats?
Uh, I like cat. I don't like cat.
Why? Why not? I don't like cats too. Only dogs. Uh-huh. But why? Are
Uh,
you also scared? Oh, okay.
Scared of animals.
All animals. Ah, okay. But you think it's cute, right? Mm-hmm. Okay. At home, you don't have animals.
Yes, I I don't have animals in my home.
Okay.
Uh,
How about your mom and dad? Do they like dogs, cats?
Oh, no, my family, my dad, my mom don't like.
Okay. Do you have a brother or a sister?
I have a sister,
Little? Big or little?
big
Big sister?
big sister.
Mm. Wait. Your sister is also afraid of animals?
My sister don't like animals too.
Okay, understood. My family likes dogs, but not animals. We like dogs. This one and my big dog we like, but for other dogs or cats, we don't like. Mm-hmm. Okay. Next one. What do we have? Oh, mouse. I don't like mouse.
I don't like mouse too.
Yes. Uh-huh. It's a small mouse. Okay. So, what color is the mouse?
The mouse is gray.
Yes, it is gray. And what food does a mouse like to eat?
The mouse like cheese. Cheese.
Yes, cheese. Do you also like cheese?
Yes, I like cheese.
Okay. I don't like cheese. I mean, I eat cheese, but I don't like it that much. Mm-hmm.
Mm,
Yes. So how about you? What is your favorite food?
my favorite food is fried chicken.
Wow, yes. Yummy.
And uh,
I like fried chicken too. Uh, roasted pig. Do you know that? Fried,
what?
no, not pig. Uh, meat. Pig meat.
Big meat.
Yes. You fry it too. Fried pig meat. Fried meat.
Yes.
Uh-huh. Do you like that too?
Yes, I like it too.
Okay. How about dumplings?
Dumpling.
Yeah. I don't think
Mm.
that's no, that's Chinese food. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Ah, how about hot pot? Do you know hot pot?
Hot pot.
Yes.
I don't know.
No? Ah, okay. Let's find a picture of hot pot. Wait, let's write that here. Oh, sorry. Hot pot. This one. This one.
Oh,
Yeah.
I like it.
Ah, you like it?
I in Vietnam,
Yeah.
I usually eat hot pot with my friend in restaurant.
Oh, wow. In Korea, you have, you're in Korea, right? Sorry.
In Korean, I haven't eat hot pot.
Mm. But you have a samgyeopsal.
Samgyeopsal,
Yes, hot
right?
pot, hot pot and samgyeopsal is famous in Philippines.
Oh,
Samgyeopsal is very, very famous. Mm-hmm.
right.
Yes, but which one do you like better? Hot pot or samgyeopsal? Choose one.
Um, it's difficult to choice.
It's difficult to
One,
choose. Why?
uh, but I think I like hot pot because hot pot is
Mm-hmm.
the more healthy. Healthy.
Oh, okay. And let's see. How about let's find samgyeopsal. I want to see the foods. Mm-hmm. Let's see. Ah, yes. Hot pot.
Wow.
Hot pot is more healthy.
Hot
Uh-huh. In hot pot, you have beef. Yes, hot pot.
pot. In hot pot,
You
they
have
add
beef.
beef.
Yes.
Yes.
Do you have pork in hot pot?
the both. Both.
Beef and pork.
Yes. Beef
Ah,
and
okay. How about shrimp?
shrimp.
Yes. No?
No.
Let's find shrimp. Oh, really? Shrimp, shrimp, shrimp. Let's find that. We have this one in
Mm.
hot. Oh, you don't have it in hot pot? That's
Shrimp.
okay. Yes.
Yes.
Do you have shrimp in hot pot?
Yes.
Ay, wow.
Shrimp in hot pot.
I like shrimp very much.
Mm.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
How about you?
Yes. I
Mm-hmm.
like shrimp too.
Ah, okay. How about squid? Do you know squid?
Ah, I know.
No?
I know. I
Yes.
know.
Uh-huh. Huh? In hot pot?
Yes, in hot pot.
Do you like it?
Uh, I like squid in hot pot, but I usually I usually don't eat it.
You don't usually eat it? Why?
Um,
You don't like you like squid in hot pot only.
no. Mm, I think I can buy shrimp uh m- easier
Okay.
eh, easier.
Yes. Quickly.
Yes.
Yes. You can eat squid anytime. Okay, wait. Wait a moment. Again. Do you like squid in hot pot?
Yes,
Yes.
I like quick squid in hot pot
Okay. Because it's easier to buy it in hot pot.
because it's easier to buy
It
squid
in hot pot?
in hot pot.
Yes. Okay. But if you eat squid, only squid, not in hot pot, it's difficult.
Mm.
Okay. Are you okay?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Now let's go back in here. What else do we have? Lizard. I don't like lizard.
Lisa.
Yes.
Ah.
Do you see it? This one, lizard. There. Oh, do you like? No.
No, I don't like.
We
I
don't
don't like.
like. Yeah. Ay, nako. Uh-huh. Do you want to have a pet lizard? Do you want to have a pet lizard?
No, I don't want to
Uh,
have a lizard.
it's
Lizard.
very scary, right? Ouch, wait.
Yes. It's
Mm-hmm.
so scary.
Yes. So, yeah, but this is a green lizard.
This is the green lizard.
Yes. Again, this is a lizard.
This is the lizard.
Yes, okay. Can we say, I have a pet lizard?
I have a bad lizard.
Yes. One more time. Pet.
Bed.
Okay, let's say it again. I have a pet lizard.
I have a bad lizard.
Yes, there you go. It's clear now. You speak clearly. Good. Okay. Next one. We have, oh, activity. Draw a line. Ah, okay. So, I will ask you. You will choose one animal. Mm-hmm. What animal will you choose? Um, is it dogs or cats?
I think I will choose cat
Oh, why?
because it's small.
It's that hurts. That
It's
hurts.
look cute.
Uh, yes, and it's quiet, right?
Quiet.
Yes. Dogs are
It's
arf.
because the cat is cat look quiet.
Yes, cats are quiet. Dogs are very noisy. Bark, 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 bark. Ah, do you
Dog
hear that
is
one?
noisy.
Yes. You see? Mm-hmm. Dog. Okay. We can say dogs are noisy. Cats are quiet. There.
Dogs are noisy and cats are quiet.
Okay. Wow. Bye, cat. Bye, dog. Sorry, dogs. Okay. Again, why do you like cats?
I like cats because cats are quiet
Yes, okay. And what about dogs?
and dogs are noisy.
Yes, there you go. So, oh, we are also running out of time. Yes. Are you okay?
It's okay.
Okay. So, Nam, thank you very much for your time. I hope.
Thank you.
Yes, you're welcome. I hope
I'm
to
so happy to meet you. And when you teach me, I'm so happy.
thank you. Thank you very much. I hope to see you next time. And yes, I'm happy to see you too. I hope to see you next time. Thank you.
Okay. See you
Goodbye.
again.
See you again. Goodbye.
Bye.
Thank you.